Hello student, welcome to my class of computer for class 9 student. In last video we have learned how to apply editing features, okay, in which we have learned how to copy and paste through the mouse and through the shortcut key, how to select the text, what is the selection criteria. Now today we will understand checking the spelling and grammar and using synonym and phrases. So student, this is the last topic of this particular apply and editing feature, okay. We are going to understand how to do that in the theoretically first. So to check the spelling and grammar, we need to just see this particular diagram, student, okay. Here are possibility allow us to check the spelling also according to the number of dictionaries, okay. You can see if you will check, suppose that if a text is having misspelled, okay, by the student or the operator, this time it will be considered as red underline, okay, and it will show you the message also which type of error you have done. After that, pressing the ABC or press F7 button as a shortcut key, you will see this diagram in which whatever the incorrect, it will be considered in red color and its suggestion will be down. So either you can correct it or ignore it. So student, let's do it practically now. So to do that, we have to open Office, okay, and now I have opened my text document. Suppose that if I am writing the simply hello, okay, so now you can see, student, this is goes under red line, okay. Why? Because there is problem. So how to rectify it? So first of all, you can see that this option should be enabled and you can click spelling checking error option. Now you can see, student, here is incorrect syntax, okay, and you can select dictionary through also. So I have select USA, and then you can select one of the particular correct word that you are going to write, okay student. So here you can see that hello is given here, okay, and then after that you can change it also, okay, or change all. If there are number of the words are written in a good document multiple time, you can change all also. Suppose that change. So now you can see that spelling checker is completed, okay, that means work. You can see that now I am writing this one thing. So what I will do, student, I will directly press the F7 button, okay. By that you can see that wrong spelling is underlined by MC, consider red color, and suggestion is given here, okay. So I am going to select a processor and now change it, okay student. Now suppose that if you are going to write here like this one thing, again you have to right click and you can see that number of synonyms is given here, treasure option are there. So there are three methods, student, to check the spelling. First one thing, by pressing ABC button, okay, or press F7 button directly, or right click on that particular underlined red color sentence or the word and select correct one thing. And now we have completed how to do that. Suppose that if a person name like Mohan, okay, Mohan will also consider as a spelling error because it is not considered under the dictionary. So what we have to do, student, we have to just click on F7 button and then after that you can click on ignore once, okay. So if multiple time you will write the particular student name again, okay, now you can see that 2 times it has come. So what we have to do, student, we have to just go to ABC button or F7 and ignore all. By that you will ignore every time while you are writing the name is Mohan, okay student, because this is a name of a person and name of person can't have, I think, problem, okay, because the name, that particular name is not under categorized dictionary. So we have learned, student, how to ignore that, okay. I will show you. Suppose that I will write this, okay. So we have learned how to ignore all, okay, and we can add the content dictionary also. We don't need to add it because new word can be say invented by the person, okay, English person. So you can say that we can add that also, okay, or we can auto correct it also, okay student. So now we have understand how to perform this one thing. And now next one thing, student, the next topic we will talking about this particular one thing. It is using synonym and the treasure. Okay, so now I have teach you how to use the synonym of that. Suppose that if I am going to write here like red. Okay, so what we have to do, student, like this reddish I have write, so I can right click on this. So now you can see that number of that synonym are given there. Okay, you have to select one of the particular synonym and treasure, student. Now we will talk about its treasure. So here is demonstrate the synonym and its treasure. According to this, student, we will do the treasure option. Treasure means some better word, okay, as per according to the your choice. Okay, so what we have to do, student, suppose that if I am going to write here a simple word computer, science. So what I am going to do, student, here I have not written like this one thing. Okay, so now I will select only this word, right click on this. Okay, or I will do this one thing, I will right click on this directly, and now you can see the student, here is a autocorrect option. Okay, and then you can see the scientist, okay, or science, so you can select science also. Okay, now you can go to the synonym option. Okay, here you can see the treasure option. Okay, if the current sentence is correct, so you have to just click on select this one thing if there are two or more words are there, and then go to this one thing and select this one thing and go to the synonym option, and then go to treasure. Treasure will show you the number of the words are there which is better than that also. Okay, I am to say the meaning of that one thing. Okay, so you can select this one also. Okay, field of study. Okay, understand? So you can select one of that also and replace this also. Okay, so student, today we have learned how to check the spelling checker, okay, and how to use the synonym and its a treasure. Okay, student, so I hope you are doing well, student. Okay, and after that you will learn how to formatting a document. Okay, it means to say how to format a document through the page setup, etc. So we will discuss this particular topic in next topic, I'm saying next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, student.